How do teams track hundreds of wells, ponds, and drinking water points without missing critical information? With location-based data collection using MAPOG, every location could be mapped, surveyed, assigned, and monitored, all from one mobile data collection app. First, go to story.mapog.com and then go to Open Workspace inside Operation and Planning. Now come to the Location section and click Add. Select New Location Type. For water source mapping, create a location type by adding name, color, and geometry as point. Then start building your fields. Add important details like water source ID, name, type, etc. For all fields, use different field formats like text, number, select. Now turn on contributor access, so contributors can update data directly from the field. Once done, click Create Type. This keeps your field data structured and easy to manage. Next, go to the Survey section and click New Campaign. This creates your field survey project. Add project title, description, project type, duration. Now in Location Type, choose the location type you just created. Turn on Add More Location, Edit Location. This allows field members to add or edit unregistered locations directly from the site. Then click Save and Continue. Now comes the field survey form. In the questionnaire section, click Add Question. Add different survey questions like water quality, functional status, maintenance required, photo upload. Use answer types like text select, multi-select, image. Using Manage option, you can add answer choices for each question. Then click Next. Now move to the Locations section. Click Upload CSV Excel and upload your prepared water source file. Select a unique ID to remove duplication. Match all attributes with the correct columns. Choose WKT as field type. Click Save and Next. All locations will now automatically plot on the map. Next comes Field Team Assignment. Go to Assign Users, then click Add User, then Add Member. Enter the assignee email address and choose their role: admin for full access or others. Click Add to add them as new member. Later select members from drop-down and click Invite. Now use the Map Polygon Draw tool on the map. Draw areas around points to allocate specific locations to each assignee. Using Filter, you can assign only unassigned locations or segment points by type, village, category. This helps teams focus only on the most relevant locations. Finally, click Launch Campaign. Now the assignee receives their assigned survey inside the MAPOG contributor app. Open the app and go to the Survey section. Open the assigned campaign. If a new location is found in the field, click plus Find a New Location, then find the place on map. Click Place Point. Add name and description. Fill required details. Save location. After saving, the survey form opens. Now fill in all collected information. Upload site images, and either save as draft or submit directly. This makes real-time field reporting incredibly easy. After submission, everything becomes visible inside Campaign Overview and Insights. You can track submissions by user and status. In the Table section, filter data using status and assignee. In Review, check submitted forms, update status, add feedback, and submit. From Campaign section, export survey data for further analysis or directly add this dataset into existing maps using Add Layer. Field data collection doesn't have to be slow, messy, or disconnected. When mapping, surveys, assignments, and reporting work together, field operations become faster, smarter, and far more reliable. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.